Okay, so are you a student or a working professional?
Yeah, I am a student right now. Yeah.
Okay,
First year. First year in
okay,
MBA program.
okay, all right. So from which college?
Yeah, I am Simo.
And so, right. So which course did you enroll in, Neeraj?
Yeah, I enrolled in business analytics program with Python and Tableau course.
Okay, okay, okay. So how did Henry Harvin LMS and study materials help you in your training?
The LMS portal and the material that was provided to us really helped a lot. And the navigation of the LMS portal is pretty easy to follow. And the content that I was looking for, I was easily able to find. And I recently participated in data analyst of their competition
Okay.
that is being held by IMSIRMA, and we were required to solve a problem about taxi fare prediction, and the study material that was provided to us really helped me in that.
Yeah. So how was the experience during your training?
Uh, I really enjoyed the business analytics course. I thought it was well planned and pretty well laid out. I'm sure everyone able to learn and they got their chances to apply their learnings. Yeah, to me that
Hmm.
was pretty much everything that I have.
Yeah. So what about the trainers? So did you find the sessions or the course during the training? Do you find it interactive, or were you able to engage with the faculty during the course training?
Yeah. I did find the session pretty interactive, and I must say, our instructor, Mr. Sharad,
Hmm.
he gave us a lot of learnings, and he provided us with a lot of assignments and on session questions, so we can apply our learnings.
Yeah. So how did you know about Henry Harvin? From where did you came
Yeah,
to know about this?
I happened to learn about Henry Arvin's program through your Henry Arvin's YouTube channel, and but I never got a chance to enroll in any of the program. But our IT and data analytics test group, that is Atonics,
Mhm.
provided us a chance to enroll with your.
Yeah. So, will you be recommending someone, or will you be giving the reference for enrolling the course?
Yes, absolutely. I have recommended Henry Arvin's certified business program with Python uh, to my friend, and I think he will be joining. So yeah,
Yeah. So, thank you, Neeraj. So, thank you for
yeah,
your wonderful review.